Oh yeah, I also... Oh, interesting, renaming failed there. I decided to rename everything to speed instead of dexterity because it's too similar to... What's going on here? To precision. Okay. I would guess this doesn't just change order. Can I then just exchange levels? Swap area elements, perfect. Can do that. Now I need a little bubble sort. I guess the first element should be the first. The fastest element should be the first. So how do we do this? For each. Do I make an own function for this? I need a local variable. Also, I swap. So I would need two loops, no? Also, these are just 3 elements maximum. I really loop? Does it make it faster? I mean, it would be not faster, smaller. It makes it smaller. I mean, this is one check, two checks. Wait, there are only 3 checks, no? Even, I mean, if the array is 3, sometimes it's 2 or 1. Or 0 even. I guess we need only 3 checks, so I don't think we. But how do I? Huh. I mean, the bubble sort for larger sizes would be I don't need for each, I need a for loop. Where's the for loop? Ah, I cannot just do it from there, right? For loop. I would start with 0 and the index before last. So length -2. Like this. And the second loop would begin with 1 and with the last element. Like this. And then it would compare this guy with this guy. Wait, the first element needs to shift along this guy. +1. This should be a simple bubble sort. Now comparing with this guy with this guy, if this is faster than this, do nothing. If this is faster than this, what was it? Array? Shuffle, swap elements, yes. Then we say this guy with this guy. If this guy is faster than this guy, which is like, how do I get that again? Do I even get it like this? Or does it have the internal one? No. Where was the internal again? This. Alright. I think this should order it, no? And here's a simple bubble sort, which will never do its, in quotes, full potential, but I mean, it's a shorter code than doing 3 operations, I guess. Well, not operations, but like 3 sets of operations. First index, second index, check. First index, third index, check. Second index, third index, check. Complete, complete. If the first one is faster or equally fast than the second one, then do nothing. Else, swap their positions. This should be fine. Actually, is this called insert sort instead of bubble sort? I guess with bubble sort you will get an element and then drag it over, but we just swap them. Doesn't matter. A simple sorting algorithm. Now, I guess I put this in a little function. Is it? This should do. Hey, Shima, how is it going? Everything good? Genki desu ka? Mama. 私も。Ah, this is the problem. I still didn't solve that one, I remember. Why did these just reset? I don't understand. I hope that doesn't happen a lot because I don't want to redo these things all the time. And I couldn't find a way to reproduce the error. Let's see if this now works. Looks better now. Yeah, it works. Now let's see if my little function does work. But of course it cannot work without me filling in some more dummy stuff. Damn it. Hey, das war's wert. Welcome. Alright. Congratulations for finding it. Where are you driving though? Or are you on foot? Can I just duplicate this? I can. I understand. Must be very hard. What else? Walking around is calming and relaxing. So you're doing it just for the break part, like getting your head empty, or are you going somewhere? Okay. What will you buy? Energy drink? I see. Croissant. Oh, hopefully I will get some other values with this. Now that you say it, it is weird, isn't it? Sounds like a murderer instead. Can we do this? No, I pressed the wrong one. Ah, I'm so stupid. God damn it. Huh. Okay, we press enter, not P. There we go. Now we can check. So what happens here actually is ability type. Doesn't have an ability, but it still finds something. That's interesting. Well. Alright, do that. Okay, and then we go here. This guy has no one, but this guy has 3. Is correct. Now let's see what happens. And how was it? So this needs to swap now. Does swap. So 29, 30, 31 is the original order. Needs paper. 29, 30, 31. So now should be 31, 30, 29. No, it's not. Ah, no, it's swapped these two, of course. So it's now this, okay. I'll get more speeds. First one is now 20, the second one should be 30 though. So it swaps that, which means 30 will be swapped with 31, which means 31, 29, 30. Get me out of here. $31, $29, $30. And then the last check. The second with the last, which is now 10 versus 20, right? 10 versus 20, which means it will swap. Perfect. So, played Shadow Gambit today. It's good, very easy right now, but a bit too much FX for my taste. A bit crowded for the eyes. Which sorting algo is this? Well, I'm not sure how to call this. It's a simple one. I'm not sure if it's insert or bubble sort. Just a for loop which begins with the first index to the one before last, and the other loop begins with the next index of the first index to the last index. And then I check which one is faster, and the faster one gets to the first position. But yeah, it works. It maximum has only 3 checks because my array is never bigger than 3. But hey. Very bad? Why do you ask? You're basically independent of the plugin after a while. And if there is like a version change of the engine, then good luck. And hopefully they are still working on it and maintaining it. I rather make my own things. I bet Unreal has its own functions for those things, but so this is done. Although, do I actually check? With the modifier, I do. But it's it's actually using the defense modifier for the speed. That's not good. That's not good at all. Yeah. Anyway, now that's fixed. Now we have the order. What do I do now? We did this. We did this. Although, did we though? Actually, we didn't. If there's none here, how can it check? What happens here? Wait, it's not this. Actually this. Get ability type from element. Competitor, fighting entity. Should be not set. Ah, and then it default goes to, I don't know. Wait, does it have a default? Yeah, it probably goes with physical. I guess I should change this to not set. So we can throw some errors. Wait. There we go. Now it should not work anymore. It should be confused what to do. Hopefully. Would go to false. Ah, okay. If it goes to false, of course, we'll just put it to the back array, which is not what we want, actually. Should I do another operation here to check? Should I look here? I guess I should just set a warning, as it's fine. Or an error. For now it's a warning. Warning. Hold on. Ah. Warning. No formation set. And like this. How about these though? Warning. No formation in competitor set. And then here with this, I should do this differently. I should do it like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like this. And then I just set this. like this. And then do this. And I can get this and ask if this is equal to not set. No, let's do it like not equal. If, then we return it. And if not, we will return not set print warning skill not set. No skill or no ability or ability not what's the word I'm searching? Ability not constructed, ability not asset, not ability asset, ability asset not ready or not finished, no, not created. These are all words that are engine related, but I'm talking about content creation. Ability asset values not set. How about that? My favorite ability in what? In my game? They are not defined yet. How can I have a favorite one? What do you mean by class? There are no classes. Elements? Well, we have 6 elements. Can you list them? Let's see if you can list the elements in my game. No. But you're close. Yes. I call it lightning, but yes. I call it earth. Yeah. Now the last one. The magenta one. No. Darkness is the missing one. The lightning one and the air one already. No, it's not ice. but close. It's crystal. Crystal! Yeah, of course. Can you match the colors of the elements? Sure. Go ahead. Wrong. Well, too bad. How do I do this? I have the order of the competitors. Also the order of the Orplings themselves from the competitors. By the way, I should also do this. And now I should go ahead and cast them one by one, I guess. What do I do here though? Do I just return a value of the order? Sarah, it's too deep. Ah. I don't know what to do. Oh no. I guess we will return something. First, or first competitor back Orblings. First competitor front Orblings. Maybe ability. Oh my god, no one will understand when I write it like this. And then second competitor back ability Orblings. Second competitor front ability Orblings. Oh my god. And then with this, actually we shouldn't return this. Or should I? Why do I try start round, blah blah blah, and then it goes here, and then maybe I should call the third function here. I just don't like it that I'm going from here to the next one without finishing up this one and then finishing up this one. It's not a good way to code, but since I'm not in a for loop, it should be fine. Or not a... how to say? What's the word? A recursive function. So it's fine. I'm opening up the stack here, but it's fine, I guess. Okay, so we don't return actually. I just need a new function. What do I call it though? This function will handle the abilities. Like it will call the first Orpling, search for its ability, and fire it. And when it's done, it will go for the next Orpling, fire it. So what would you call this function? The machine or something, I don't know. Damn. What should I call it? Hi Shima, are you still there? Shima? Shima? Yeah, only you. Sad. Or just one. Epic pose. Can you tell? Does it sound familiar? If not, I will tell. It's SimCity 4. Well, well, well. I still need a name for the function, man. Ability Durchkauer or something, I don't know. You were not here when I said it, I guess. I need a function that will get all the Orplings in order ask for their ability, handle their ability, fire it, and go to the next Orpling, fire it, and so on. Yeah, it will handle the abilities one by one. Should I call it ability handler? Ability Overwatch, ability... It is not too mighty. It has only one function, which is firing the abilities. Just in order of the Orplings. The abilities themselves know what to do. Well, it does not order them. It just has arrays of Orplings which are ordered already. So he does not do anything to make them in order. Yeah, I guess. So 3. Fire. Orpling. Abilities. And this guy has 4 inputs. Which is... It'll be too long. First... Back... Orpling abilities... No, Orplings. I think like this. First back... First front. Second back. Second front. Like this. Then I can go put it here. Do this. Then I need to choose who is first. Competitor 0 wins, which is then this is the first and this is the second. Here's it random. Should I make a function out of this? Just these 2 nodes and then return? Isn't that stupid? I mean, right now, I think this looks very hideous if I do it like this. And then here is the random one where I say I could also just do this. And then all I do is get that. These are the first. This is back. This is front. This is back. This is front. This is back. This is front. This is back, this is front. And that's it. I guess it's fine. It looks hideous. I mean, I can shift them over and then it's fine, but... Let's see. Let me order them first and then let's see if it's too hideous. And if it's hideous, then let's find a way to make it more compact. I don't know, it doesn't look that bad, does it? I think this is fine. It's just these two, I mean, it's not a big deal. Should be fine. Alright, what do we do? We get the first competitor, which in our case is mostly the player itself. Get its mean dexterity. That's wrong. Get its mean speed. B. And then we look who is faster. If competitor 1 is, or 0 is faster, we go in with competitor 0, order its things. Competitor 1, order its things, and then put the first one into the first arrays and the second one into the second array. Same thing here. If competitor 1 is faster, then we do the same thing, and here we do this in a random order. Now, I would go, of course we should put these in local variables. Second and front should be fine. Ta-da! Now, how do I get the ability? Because I lost the information now. There are two ways to do this. I could give the formation with this thing, or I need the competitor itself. I guess I would need the competitor anyway, because we will ask the battle group, which means we have to send this alongside. Let's do that real quick. Competitor, abstract, please. And it's just one. First competitor. Please, come on. Oh my god. Okay. And second competitor. Exciting pose. And then we get this. Put it here. Get this. Put it here. Same thing we do here. And voila. First, second, first, second, 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1. Now we have these local promote, local promotes, Wait, I should rename them first. Local first competitor. Local second competitor. Ta-da. Now, let's see. We go here. Get battle group. Get internal. Ah, okay. How do I get that again? Ah. Do I go to the Orbling itself? Group. Orbling. Get. What do we have here? Get entities here. Find. Get the first one here for now. ID. Get. Boom. From here. Internal. Break. And then competitor element switch, hide everything like this. If it's fire, we get this, but we didn't make the function to fire yet. Ability abstracts. Open. And this guy. Hold on. Where's this info again? Where did I put this? I didn't use this yet. Abstract ability uses this. That true? Where? Where am I using it? Abstract no. He's pointing to the abstract ability. Where should this be? Where's the internal? What did I use here? Ability data assets. I see. So this is not used anymore. We will use it with this. So this guy needs to die. Bye bye. Oh no. Ah, really? This never works anyway. Yeah, thanks. And it's still here. Fuck you, man. No. I have to open all the things I need again. No way. No way, I didn't save? Hold on. Ah, fuck. Is this... Well, at least this is done. I hope. Oh, fuck. Okay, now I have to implement this all over again. Fuck you, Unreal. Thanks for nothing, I guess. I don't fucking know, and their little backup things never work. Never. Fucking shit, man. Okay. What did I call these? Bursts. Oh my god. Bursts. Back. Or blink. First. Front. Or blinks. Second. Back. Or blinks. Second. Front. Or blinks. Oh my god, I hate this so much. Face cam? Probably never. First front or blinks. First competitor. Second, oh my god. Second compet. In what way? Up. Up. And local. 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 And local. Ta-da. Local. beep. Local. 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 And this guy. Whew, okay. All right. We are at square one again. So, elements get for now the first one battle group get ID get find. Okay, and then bolts internal stat. Okay, break don't we do this? And then we went to the abilities, abstract ability, went here, and we wanted to make a function called fire fire ability. Of course, this is probably not the ability, this is the ability asset, which means get what is the thing called here, and then spawn actor, the position we need to define yet, and then fire ability, something like this, right? Of course I need to make a function and choose the right ability, whatever, and then make it a little bit more neat. But let's say this is the first thing and it has the fire ability to fire because we are in the fire formation, then it would do this. And then I would need to listen to this guy until it is finished. And if it's finished, it should go to the next. So maybe these arrays are not correct. Maybe I need arrays here. And I need to remove the ARP links we already handled. Something like that. This will be very, very complicated, but very fun to implement, I think. It is rather complicated in all directions, but when it's set, it will work like clockwork. I mean, I already implemented something similar in Unity. I know how it works, and I think I can do it even better. But now, if I did that system and did this fire ability and this does its thing, I need a signal where I can abort a single one and abort multiple ones, which then resolve themselves in an instant. These will be the next steps, I think. I also think that we should create 6 dummy abilities with some dummy visual effects, so I can visualize what happens. Like 6 different things, so we know what could happen, all the cases to handle. So I guess this will be a rather large chapter we will begin. But not today. This is for tomorrow. Let's look at our little notes. Let's bring them over. And let's see what we already finished and add some more tickets. Need to build skill ability abstract so we can add ARP links into the action group. We did. Third function should be to determine order of ARP links in the given competitor order. Actually, it is now a smaller fraction in the calculate order of competitors and ARPLinks. Order is calculated by not only speed, but also the type of skill it will use. We did that. And test if you get correct results, maybe create another ARPling with different speeds. We did that and it did the correct speed. But we didn't test for mean speeds. For that I would need more things, but as far as I can tell, the calculations should work. And if it doesn't work, I will find out when I actually have the abilities. What do you mean? You watched like an hour now. Don't forget to handle internal stats for players or different entities. Yeah. This is still an issue. And I found a new issue. I think this should always be like in the comments thing. This is very annoying. Remove structs from data assets and put them flat in. I think this is something very, how to say, brain dead thing to do, but calming. And should I write tickets for this? Or should I go and find out what to do? So what would I do first? Build something so abilities can tell that they are finished and call the next one. Probably global arrays that will remove first elements. My favorite thing after stream, I mean, I do all sorts of things. Mostly I play games. Then, when we have this, make function to determine what ability to use. Which one today? I'm not sure. I will probably go to VR chat because I don't have games anymore. Determine. Make function to determine ability to use. Determine. You mean determine, maybe? Yeah, I always say some words very, very weirdly. Like I say skizzers instead of scissors. Yeah. I guess. I also say iron instead of iron. Maybe I should do a team name in my game. They are called Skizzers. But it would be a very inside joke thing, no? No one would understand. Really? Make function to da da da. Why did I copy this? To use, which is this. This part we handle. And then big step, build abilities. Something like this. Alright, folks. What? Napis? What's that? Ah, yes. Kniffes. And what do we call the rocks? Wait, no, not Skizzers. Skizzers paper rock. The other ones sound very okay though, so wouldn't work. Anyway, thanks for supporting. Das war's wert. Very much appreciated. And anyone who is watching or will watch, thanks for watching. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.